If creating content for your creative business feels exhausting, you're not imagining it. It's actually freaking real. You're told to post daily, be on every platform, follow every trend, stay visible at all times. And after a while, content creation stops feeling exciting and starts feeling like a dreadful full-time job. But here's the truth most marketing gurus don't tell creatives. You don't need more content, you need a better system. Ciao, y'all. I'm Kiara, content marketer, AI powered content strategist, and founder of the Museum Creative, where I help creative entrepreneurs, artists, designers, illustrators, and independent creatives simplify their marketing using human first AI supported content strategies so they can grow their audience, attract ideal clients, and build sustainable creative businesses online. If you've ever felt burned out trying to keep up with social media, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you the sustainable content system I use and teach inside my coaching program to help creatives stay visible, stress-free. Let's start with the real problem. Most creatives aren't burnt out because they dislike marketing. They're burnt out because they're trying to create content without a system. So what happens? Every week becomes a guessing game. What should I post today? Should I make a reel? Maybe I should try a trend, or maybe I should post more. This constant decision making is mentally draining, and over time, it creates something I call content fatigue. You're always producing, but rarely feeling like your content is actually moving your business forward or connecting with the right people. The solution isn't posting more, it's creating a repeatable content system aligned with your goals and your audience's needs. A system removes the pressure of constantly reinventing the wheel and gives you a clear structure for showing up consistently. Inside my coaching work with creative entrepreneurs, I usually recommend building a simple system based on three key elements: content pillars, content repurposing, AI-supported workflows. Let's break those down. Content pillars are the core themes your content revolves around. Instead of posting randomly, you consistently create content around a few strategic topics related to your area of expertise and your audience's biggest problems. For example, your pillars might include your creative knowledge and experience, client transformations, educational insights, personal stories like failures, lessons learned, or small wins behind your work. When you define these pillars, something powerful happens. You stop asking, what should I post today? And become more intentional with your content because you already know which conversations your content is meant to lead. Another reason creatives burn out is the belief that every post must be brand new. But the smartest content creators don't constantly create, they repurpose, meaning they turn an already high-performing existing content piece into new formats. For example, one idea can become a YouTube video, several social media posts, a newsletter, short-form clips, carousel posts. One piece of content can generate an entire ecosystem of visibility, reaching more people in your target niche. Plus, repurposing lets you show up consistently without constantly starting from zero. This is where AI becomes incredibly helpful in speeding things up. It can assist with choosing your go-to content pillars, brainstorming new content ideas, outlining posts, repurposing long-form content, refining your messaging, and so much more. The key is using AI as a creative partner, not a replacement for your voice. You're still in control of the whole process. And when you combine your human perspective with AI-powered support, content creation becomes dramatically easier. Instead of feeling overwhelmed and demotivated, you feel supported, uplifted, and crystal clear on what content to create next. At the end of the day, growing your creative business online isn't about posting constantly with no direction. It's about building intentional strategic visibility. When you have a clear content system like the one I guided you through today, you spend less time stressing about what to post and more time focusing on the creative work that actually matters to you. So, if you've been feeling burned out by social media lately, I want you to know something important. You're not failing at content. You've just been trying to create content without a sustainable structure. Once you shift your mindset and build a system that supports you, content moves from overwhelming to a powerful tool for growing your creative business. Trust the process and you'll see the difference. If you want more help simplifying your marketing with the support of AI, I created a free resource for you: 5 AI-powered solutions for creatives who dread marketing. Inside, you'll discover simple ways to use AI to generate ideas, create content faster, and stay visible without burning out. You can download it through the link in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more strategies on using AI and content marketing to grow your creative business sustainably and profitably. That's all for today. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao!